How to use a custom sound as alarm on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the clock application, go to the settings at the top, and from here you simply need to choose the option of default alarm sound. Once you do, simply go to classic themes. And from here you can choose any one of the default ringtone for your alarm. Now, after that, you can also go to the default alarm setting again and choose from the nature category. Now, so as to use a custom sound, simply go to any one of the alarm option, go to ringtone, then after at the bottom choose the option of on this device under custom category. Now, here you can choose any one of the music that you have downloaded on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.